spinal rolls before we move on. I'm just turning slightly to the side so you can see my spine. But all I'm going to do, did we do this before where we fold forward and then we roll up? Did we do this? No? Okay. Because see, where I'm going with this, Lori, is I want to get people to do this wave-like motion. Xander used to call this the snake. Okay? Yeah. He was really into snakes. All the different kinds of snakes. But how I've been working with people, you look like you got it pretty well, actually. But how I've been working is we dive forward and then we roll up. First we do a very big one. Very big dive and then bend the knees, tuck the chin and roll. Open heart, big dive, tuck the chin, bend the knees and roll. So do a few of these. Because some people can't come anywhere near that undulation yet. And then after a few big ones, just cut the move in half and drop the arms. Just let the arms hang. And we dive forward, we're leading with the heart, and then the chin tucks and we roll it up. And so this spinal roll, this wave-like motion, I've found to be very therapeutic and very useful in awakening the prana in my body. This is it. Now on your next one, go ahead and cut the move in half again. And so we're just back to this snake. Wave-like motion. Undulatory motion. We're just a spine. You can close your eyes and feel that you're just a spine. This is it. A couple more. With the eyes closed. Last one. Great. Now bend the knees, hold. Emptiness, wu wei. And just see if you can notice there's something in you that's still doing the snake. Part of you is still undulating even though your physical body is holding still. And exhale, press it down.